Alex here. Today we're going to be playing Weasel because why not? And also we're gonna change things slightly. We're not gonna play a regular game of Bee Swarm. I'm gonna have something animate this game, but has no story to it. Why those insects so big? Why do bees attack? Why bees are the only good kind of insects in the game? So and um why those bears talking? Don't you feel that strange? So this is the story I'm gonna make. I'll be playing here, and you'd be listening to me talk about how Beast One like this now. So this is one day. Honest was in his lab. Well, not much like a lab. Testing experiment on this potion he found, and he combined it with Bumblebee. He didn't know where he got the Bumblebee, but it just flew into his room, so he just caught it in the cup and just, you know, tested on it. Suddenly his bee went massive, like that. You see those bees there? That big. Then he tested on some insects. 3 ladybugs, 3 rhino beetles, and 3 mantis. What happens? Mistake, and then you know what happens? Those insects turn on him and try to attack him. But one of the bees reacted suddenly, and then it started attacking the insects and knocked them out. He was wondering what happened, what's going on, and he didn't know what happened. Rihanna was confused, so he tested on different kinds of bees and came up with different type of bees here. Got bomber bee, brave bee, and some others. Well, he tested on bears now. Then he got his first subject, black bear. He combined with the bear, but he was still normal size, but he could talk. One was scared, but then got used to it, so he just you know made him just stand there and do nothing. Well, he continued on experimenting on other bears. Well, like not really, like you know, trying to talk to bears as well. He did that. And then worked out, but 2 of his failed experiments, Shadow Bear and Tunnel Bear, you know, both were those evil kind of bears. He didn't go back to them, so he just continued on doing other things. Suddenly he made these massive bees. No one knows if they're robots or actual bees. No one knows. But they're just talking normal bees who just buzz around. And, those bears I was talking about, they come up with their own ideas. Like Science Bear want to be a scientist and he wants to do other stuff. And Brown Bear just gives you quests. Now then suddenly bears from other places come over and come into this world. But how was this map built? Well, I think Onnit built him all by himself. You keep all the insects running away from this world. This map here. So yeah, that's the story. And I think Bee Swarm is actually come out like this. So if you don't really think it is, just tell me below. I can make cutscenes for it. Not cutscenes, like scenes. So let me know if the story is alright. I think the story is not because we're like tiny people in this big massive place. So I think that's why. It's really cool. Like this game's really cool. So guys, hope you like this video. If you do, leave a like and subscribe. And tell me comments how I can change up the story or can I improve. Thank you guys. Bye.